Hey guys, welcome back to Troy's Garage. My name's Troy. Well, I'm not in my garage. Welcome to my dad's garage. The CEO, the CFO, and the president of Troy's Garage has spoken. And when she speaks, I listen. She said, I don't want you working on any other vehicles until you fix the trunk of the Charger. So that's what we're doing today. We're down here on vacation, but the parts showed up just before we left on vacation. A couple of tools that I brought. I came to St. George to use my dad's specialty tools. Oh yeah. 4-hour drive to use that. Here we go. So basically what we've got going on here, on our key fob, there's a button that you can push twice to open the trunk. And you can hear it click, but it never opens the trunk. It used to every once in a while open. Well, it used to all the time. And then it started just every once in a while it would work. Now, it doesn't work at all. So I bought a new actuator from Amazon. It's a Dorman part. I'll show you the part number and that sort of thing. I brought some other things to do some extras that that the president, CEO, and CFO of Troy's Garage didn't ask for. Let's get into it. So here's how we've had to open the trunk. Luckily, there's a magic key hidden on the inside with a keyhole. Trunk opens. The part that we're working on is right here. First, let's open our part. Let's see what we got. We've got a Dorman 931-270. I'm told that this is the right part for this car. It appears to be the same, and it looks like there's only 2 bolts that hold this whole thing in. This is the electrical component that plugs in. I'm going to unplug the one up top and plug it into this and then actuate it to make sure it does a thing. So let's try that first. Oh, well, there you go. Here's our test. Holy crap, that's awesome. All right, my wife's gonna, well, the president, CEO, and CFO is gonna be so happy. All you need is a 10mm. I've just got the little specialty tools from my dad. Wow, that's overkill for that thing. Woo! Okay, that took some doing. There's a little plastic tab thing that I'm not sure what that holds on to, but we'll reapply it. Cool, that part works. And now for the real test. Does it close and latch? It does. Does it unlatch? Oh, the big boss is gonna be so happy. For the bonus part of this, the big boss, she's shorter than me, and she has trouble reaching up and actually grabbing the trunk to pull it down. So what she does is she reaches up in here and grabs on right in there. And that's, I mean, it's not super sharp metal, but it's definitely not a handle. So what I've done, I went to a secondhand store and just bought a leather belt. And I'm gonna use riv nuts to riv nut a strap up here somehow, somewhere, so that it hangs down. She can pull on that, get it down where she can get a hold of it, and then close the trunk fully. That's gonna be a little nicer. I didn't tell her I was doing this. This is gonna be a bonus. And then as the final thing, Instagram for some reason hates me. Meta the company. I've been kicked off of Facebook and Instagram. I've tried to appeal, whatever. I don't know what they think I did, but I am no longer on there. So I'm taking that off. I'm no longer advertising for them. They can suck rocks for all I care. And I'm gonna put a new YouTube only sticker across down here. It'll be more recognizable even than the YouTube play button or the YouTube logo. Be a little more eye-catchy. I'm gonna do the same thing on my truck as well. So what I did is I just took the belt and I cut this piece out of it, and I'm gonna fashion that into a little makeshift handle that she can reach up and grab instead of that sharp metal. Gonna use the rib nut, a little Christmas tree bit from Horrible Freight, to drill my holes for it. Put the rib nuts in, strap this to it, and we'll be off to the races. Right up in here somewhere. One more. Yep, like that. Look who's arrived. It's the CEO, CFO, and president of Troy's Garage. She said, I can't work on any other cars till I fix this, right? I'm gonna make you do the honors. Yay. And then look at the little handle I built you too.
Nice.
See?
Yay! Thank you.
You're welcome. Totally worth it. Oh, I don't know what she is. The grandma of the operation. This is my mom, and there's my dad. So this is an automatic door unlocker or trunk opener, and it wasn't working. But now it is.
And so what makes it work?
Yay.
It's plugged into electrical stuff.
And this is for to pull it down.
And this is so she can grab. She used to grab up here where it's like sharp metal.
Sharp, yeah.
Oh, watch your fingers. Sheesh.
This is how we used to have to get it open.
Oh gosh. The old-fashioned one.
Yeah. You're welcome.
Is it not run down? It's just off of there.
What?